After installing the Liberty City, the game crashed. To fix this problem, follow the video steps. Go back to OpenIV and select ASI Manager. Make sure all three are installed. And then close stuff here and select Edit Mode and select Yes option. Go back and open this game config. Open mods folder, update, update.rpf, common data. And now drag and drop this game config inside. Once you're done, stuff here and go back. Open heap adjuster. Right click on the game and select open file location and drop these two files inside. Go back, open pack file limit adjuster and drop these two files inside. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, press escape key and navigate to this airport. Get rid of this using menu, teleport option, waypoint. Once you in front of the airport, go down using the stairs. Here you can able to see yellow mark. Press E to fly to Liberty City. Press E. And now we are in Liberty City. As you can see, to go back to Los Santos, same way, press E to fly to Los Santos. You can able to see. I show you guys an important location in this Liberty City. Navigate to this point. Using teleport, we can go so fast. And this is the one we are looking for. And that's how you can install this, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.